Here at Lichterman Nature Center, we like to sift our soil before we plant seeds. So I'm just going to quickly show you how we do that. We use a rather small gauge sifting panel. You can get these on the internet or you can make your own. And I am going to just put some soil in here. The reason we like to do this is, as you'll notice, this is just sort of your typical potting soil. It has a lot of mulch and pieces of wood, which is fine for an older plant or a more established plant, but for a seed, their roots are so tiny, we don't want them to have to try and curl around that. So we're going to get the soil as fine as we can, and it also just is good for your soul, this sifting. Helps calm me down if I have a stressful day. All right, and then when you're all done, the soil feels great. It's very velvety and it's perfect for starting seeds.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.